Let's go. Hold on. Ay, ay, ay. Hold on. Everybody. Check. Hold on. Yeah, someone is wrong. Hold on now. Aha. Aha. Hold on. Ay, ay, ay. My hands. Hold on.
How close are you to Tope Alabi? So, what can you actually tell us about Tope Alabi?
Tope Alabi is my sister from another mother, and we are so close, myself and her and the husband, and it's not it's not news. It's common knowledge that I sampled Oluwa Etobi of a chorus for one of my songs. So, are you in this country? Where are you? Are you in this world? Not to know that I did my own version of Oluwa Etobi. Wrote new verses and everything, but I sampled the chorus. And it's a great song out there. She was gracious enough to give me permission to do it, and I am very, very close to them. I've been to their house. She is my sister, and that's why I was supposed to be out of the country tonight. So when she told me about this, I said, Tope, for you, I'll change the flight by one day. So I changed the flight. That's how close. That's how close. I will not just change my flight for anybody. But I needed to come and support her as she sends her father home and bid him farewell. And we're celebrating the life of Papa. So that's why I'm here. Tope, my sister, my person.
So, of all Tope Alabi songs, what would you say is your best?
When I told you that I've done a sample, you should guess already. Because I don't just sample a song because it's a song.
Do me a favor.
Yes.
So you actually have to say like for 20 or 30 seconds that sample you did.
Yeah, no. All right. Oluwa Etobi, Etobi o, Etobi o. Kò sẹ́ni tá lè fi ṣàkàwé rẹ̀ o. Etobi o, Oluwa. My son.
Àlàyé mi, má lọ sùn o. Fẹ́lẹ̀ ṣe pé bọ́ọ̀lù yẹn fún Jésù. Àlàyé má lọ sùn. Pé bọ́ọ̀lù fún Jésù. Àlàyé má lọ sùn. Pé bọ́ọ̀lù fún Jésù.
Okay, people, what's going on? This is Samuel Poso, the Welly Welly Master, and I'm here to tell you to make sure you subscribe to Korede Films on YouTube. A lot of interesting stuff is going on there. Just go click the button, subscribe. Korede Films on YouTube, and you'll be glad you did.